In the event that you're searching for Jibber cost expectations figure for 2024, 2025, 2030 and need to know where the cost of stepn GMT will go from now on, we will dissect the previous costs of stepn GMT and we'll figure out what specialists are talking about its future cost Jibber. If it's not too much trouble, remember that you want to take this forecast and each and every expectation with the aim that this is just the idea of some market jabber. Also, foreseeing something so amazing is totally Jibber. Be that as it may, we will make an honest jabber. We should begin. As per the most recent information accumulated, the ongoing cost of stepn is $0.2725 and GMT is as of now positioned #127 in the whole crypto jabber system. The flow supply of stepn is 1,367,824,719 with a market cap of 300 Jibber $2,740,490. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has been diminished by 0.05% in its jabber worth. Jibber, we think about the ongoing business sector cap of the GMT with yesterday's. You can see that the market cap is likewise down. Stepn is confronting a difficult time jumping aboard with other crypto Jibber. The GMT is down to nearly 7.12% over the most Jibber 7 days. The coin is as yet showing gambling with papaya Jibber for recent days. The coin could areas of strength have, however. We don't imagine that it would a productive resource in present moment. We foresee future Jibber cost expectations and conjecture by applying profound man-made reasoning helped specialized investigation on the past value information of stepn. We give a valiant effort to gather greatest verifiable information for the GMT coin, which incorporate numerous boundaries like past value, stepn market cap, stepn volume and Jibber any more. On the off chance that you are hoping to put resources into computerized cryptographic forms of money and need great profit from your ventures, try to peruse our jabber. Stepn value forecast Jibber. The negative cost Jibber for stepn GMT in 2025 is $0.4427, with a likely high of $0.5377. Our Jibber long-haul conjecture for 2050 proposes GMTs possibly running somewhere in the range of $208.19 and $238.27. Stepn GMT is expected to arrive at a most extreme cost of $3.51 Jibber 2030. The cost of 1 GMT would reach as high as $193.69 Jibber by 2040. The ongoing business sector cost of 1 stepn is Jibber 0.2725 ointment. Jibber value ointment 2024. The cost of Jibber is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $0.3084 in 2024. The stepn cost could arrive at a greatest worth of $0.3451 Jibber with a typical exchanging cost of $0.322 all through 2024. Jibber value expectation 2025. According to the conjecture and specialized Jibber, in 2025 the cost of stepn is supposed to reach at the very least value worth of $0.4427. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme value worth of Jibber $0.5377 with a typical worth of $0.4588. Jibber value figure for 2026. As per our profound specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2026 the cost of Jabber is anticipated to reach at the very least degree of $0.6483. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of $0.777 Jibber with a typical exchanging cost of $0.6666. Stepn GMT value Jibber 2027. The cost of stepn is Jibber to reach at any rate level of $0.9638 in 2027. The applesauce cost can arrive at a Jibber degree of $1.14 with a typical cost of $0.9972 all through 2027. Stepn value Jibber 2028. The cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at any rate worth of $1.37 Jibber in 2028. The stepn cost could arrive at a Jibber worth of $1.65 with a typical exchanging cost of $1.42 all through 2028. Jibber value expectation 2029. As per our Jibber specialized examination on past value information of GMT, in 2029 so the cost of stepn is gauged to be at around a base worth of $2.01. The stepn value worth can arrive at a limit of 2 Jibber 36 cents with the typical exchanging worth of $2.09 in USD. Stepn disappointment value Jibber 2030. Stepn cost is estimate to arrive at a least conceivable degree of $2.95 Jibber in 2030. According to our Apple source, the Jabber cost could arrive at a most extreme conceivable degree of $3.51 with the typical estimate cost of $3.03. Jibber value conjecture 2031. Stepn cost is conjectured to arrive at a most reduced conceivable degree of $4.17 Jibber in 2031. According to our Jibber, the GMT cost could arrive at a greatest conceivable degree of $5.03 with the typical conjecture cost of $4.32. Stepn Jibber value forecast 2032. The cost of one stepn is Jibber to reach at least degree of $6.18 in 2032. The GMT cost can arrive at a most extreme degree of 7 Jibber 17 cents with a typical cost of $6.40 all through 2032. Stepn value Jibber 2033. According to the estimate cost and specialized examination, in 2033 the cost of stepn is anticipated to reach at least degree of $8 Jabber 6 cents. The GMT cost can arrive at a greatest degree of $10.70 Jibber with the typical exchanging cost of $9.12. Jibber value gauge 2040. The reception and freedom used Jibber of a digital money are similarly essential contemplations. Projects with down-to-earth applications and far and wide reception are bound to Jibber over the long haul. According to the stepn cost figure for 2040, Jabber is expected to arrive at a greatest value worth of $193.69 in 2040. The base Jibber cost of GMT coin in 2040 is supposed to be around $158.88, while the typical cost of the stepn for 2040 is projected to be $168 Jibber 1 cents. GMT value Jibber for 2050. Long haul forecast ointment to be Jibber nearer with alert because of the inborn vulnerabilities in the digital money market. Broadening and remaining informed about the most recent improvements are key methodologies for overseeing chances related with long-haul Jibber freedom. According to our GMT cost expectation, the year 2050 can end with the most extreme cost of $238 Jabber 27 cents, while the base value worth of a stepn can be around $208.19 with the coin exchanging at a Jibber cost of $219.13 approximately. Jibber value gauge facts. What is the Jibber cost today? Today's stepn GMT is exchanging at $0.2725 with the Jibber of $372,714,490. What amount does Jibber cost in 2025? The cost of stepn will increment as additional freedom Jibber engage in the task. In year 2025, Jabber will be worth about a normal cost of 0.4588 disappointment. What is the eventual fate of Jibber? The eventual fate of Jibber is profoundly subject to the general presentation of the crypto business. With regards to putting resources into Jibber, you really want to ensure that you are utilizing the right system. This Jibber venture isn't appropriate for those with an uneven gamble